Hello. Today I'm going to show you my remote control helicopter. This is my RC helicopter. Now, for those of you who don't have these are just the blades, obviously, and the one spins clockwise and the one spins anti-clockwise to stop it from just spinning round. And this is to balance it out so it doesn't just kind of. And that blade there, that. Say you want to go forward, that one will spin, and say you want to go backwards, it's spin the other way. Now it's pretty cool because you can charge it. Well, you can charge it from the controller, which is cool. So I'll just explain the controller. That's the throttle, obviously, and that's just to move forward, backwards, side to side. Now you can charge it from the controller. So if you do this back there, take this out, and then obviously you plug it in, and that's charging. So basically, that's how you charge it from the remote. Put that back. Now this is the cool way. Basically, this is a USB port, a USB stick, and that's a charging end. So you basically just plug it in to a laptop or a computer, and then you get this end and plug it in to there, and that will charge. And the laptop that you plug it into doesn't have to be on, so you don't necessarily have to waste power from that. So just stick that back there. Now I'll show you. This is quite fast. Just turn it on. And when you turn it on, the light will flash at the front, and you wait for a sec, and it stops. And that's the same with this. That orange light will flash, and eventually it will stop. Now, we do this basically. This that's pretty cool. Now, this back one that I was telling you about, basically, spin this. That spins around as well. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it.